Yes, my people, no, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location of the watch this video. My name is Apostle Alfred or John Oyenosa, the mobile street commissioner. The man with the talk and the show and the do ask you to be remember, go and verify. We did for the ongoing construction of the Angiama-Eniwari road for Southern Ijaw local government, and the company they handle the job now. Soriana now they handle the job and they are doing a great job. I must say big thank you to the commissioner for the Ministry of Works and Infrastructure, and I believe say the governor they around this area, and I just trust God say he see the work where this company they do for this
governor, no be mistake. Douye suwe me governor, no be mistake. Lawrence Orija suwe me deputy, no be mistake. Nana way down out.
Your Excellency. You are in charge. Thank you. So how far are you going?
We are going well.
Okay.
We don't go inside. We don't meet the river already on the chain of 2000. We start feeling. We are facing there is a lot of swampy area. Okay, it's possible to drive inside there. You will see there is swampy, but we already are.
Swamp is not something new to me.
Yeah.
You should have known that by now. Because every road we construct is swamp. We are constructing our roads either on swamp or on top of the water.
Exactly. So we are going well, sir. Can you see everything?
Okay. Well, so no complaints?
No complaint at all.
Work is progressing.
And progress is 100%. You see now within 1 month exactly, we are moving about 1.5 kilometers. Full machine is working, everything. Just about the rain sometime, but you know that it's not in our hand.
But you're also lucky this year. The rains have.
It's not as like yesterday, last year.
Like last year, other years. Well, just make sure that you keep doing your best. Get to the milestone. We also want to promise you that the funds will not be delayed when you get to the milestone for payment.
Yes.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Excellency.
Excellency, you are welcome. Thank you.
Douye Diri suwe me governor, no be mistake. Douye suwe me governor, no be mistake. Lawrence Orija suwe me deputy, no be mistake. Nana way down out. Jehovah get over.
My name is Engineer Opini Pius Onyesi from the Ministry of Works and Infrastructure. You can see, totally we've gotten up to 2 kilometers, both excavation and sand filling. Some areas we've gotten up to 3.4, 3.5, thereabout. For sand filling completed to the point of about 2.5 kilometers, done perfectly. So I think it's a very good one from the company. Yeah, they are doing a very nice job. Okay. Thank you.
Based on your ministry assessment, they are doing a great job here.
Yes, they are really doing a perfect job here.
Thank you very much.
All right.
So guys, we go inside. We can see how far they walk.
Douye suwe me governor, no be mistake. Douye suwe me governor, no be mistake. Lawrence Orija suwe me deputy.
The executive governor just they connect all the community through road.
Douye suwe me governor, no be mistake. Douye suwe me governor, no be mistake. Lawrence Orija suwe me deputy, no be mistake. Nana way down out. Jehovah get over.
I beg, make una share the video, put on all platforms. The company where they do the job, now Soriana Construction Limited, now them they handle this job. Baisha is actually becoming great again under the leadership of Dr. Douye Diri. I call it Bishop, and I need to add Ambassador join them because they do good job. Remember, go and verify.